90 feet 4-leaf motorized telescopic sliding gate. By Sang Xian, electrical and steel Sendirian bare HUD. For panel of gate can be moved at the same time. The process of running is smoother and silent. Save half time when opening and closing. Using unique steel wire design to push and pull. I only use one motor. Only need 27 feet storage unit size.